Hey guys, it's your girl Britt Bites, and I am here at Veggie Heaven. Unfortunately, I don't have my better half, Tastebudz, with me today, but I do have someone just as good.
Hey!
My little sister, we're here. We're gonna be doing this vlog together, and let's go. We're excited.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Should I get
Hi
some
guys.
Sorry.
Hi guys, so we just got seated, and they gave us, I'm not sure what this is actually. It looks like
It
cabbage.
tastes good though.
We've been here before, but yeah, and they gave us tea and everything. This place is legit.
Some random. This tastes good. I don't know what it is, but it has
It looks like cabbage.
some kind of dressing on it.
I
Pretty
think it's
good.
like a cabbage salad or something like that. I don't know. But it's not kimchi. It's not fermented.
So Veggie Heaven basically is a vegan place. Like the menu will say like ribs, but it's not really ribs. It's
not.
all vegan. Like it's
Every
all
single
vegan.
thing.
It's all vegan.
And some of the things that you can taste here, you'll be like,
Are you sure?
are you sure it's not vegan?
Oh no, I spilled some.
Every time I come here, I usually get the spinach lo mein.
Spinach lo mein.
Yeah.
Does it have fake meat in it?
Yeah.
I should try to get something different, I guess, than something I've had before. I usually get like the General Tso's chicken or like sweet
I've
and
actually
sour
never had
chicken. Maybe I can try some like rib tips if they have them.
Oh yeah, house special spinach noodle. That's it. That's what I want. You can order anything else, but that's what I want.
They have a lot of things on the menu.
That and like the yeah, it's like anytime, like it's like an actual like Chinese food menu, but everything's vegan. No, I do want the shumai.
Thursdays.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the shumai.
What's that?
It's usually like steamed dumplings, but not actual dumplings. It's like a lighter wrapping, I think.
What's the most similar thing to? Would it be the crispy pork? I don't know about that. Even the thought of fake pork kind of grosses me out.
Yeah, I don't even like pork. She's popular. She has a lot of people texting her.
Well, one of the people was you.
Just now? They just came in?
No, that was Sydney.
This is definitely just like a marinated cabbage. Just like some like vinegar in there and stuff. Really good. With a little sweet and a little tart.
Man. Oh, is that the appetizer we were talking about? Did it come with something? Because I was thinking about
No,
getting...
it's hearty. It's big. It's like,
I mean, like rice.
it has like rice in it.
Oh, yeah. So I was thinking about getting the barbecue ribs.
Get them.
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it with some like rice or something.
It's ready?
Yes. I'd like the shumai to start with, and then the
So might be about 10 to 15 minutes.
okay, that's no problem.
Okay.
And then the house special spinach noodle.
How
Are you
special
getting a
spinach noodles,
appetizer
right?
and
Sure.
entree?
Okay.
Well, we were gonna share
Noodle
the
soup, right?
Are we gonna try the entree? Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. So can I just have the barbecue ribs?
Barbecue ribs, okay.
Yeah. And white rice.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So the food you want will ever come or which one first?
Whenever it's ready.
it's ready, yeah.
Okay, sure.
Why is that so angry? Yeah, that's fine.
Hold on. Okay. Yo, so today in class, we had the substitute teacher, and we have to, it was for my documentary class. And one of the girls was like, oh, I think I'm gonna do my grandmother for documentary. She's 97. He goes, well, you better hurry up.
Oh my god. Y'all out of pocket.
For sure. I was cracking up for like the next hour about that.
Out of pocket.
Dark
I keep
humor.
like going back
Uses me.
and forth between my hot tea and my water. I haven't had tea for like a while, so I'm like very excited.
Just drink green tea every night before you go to bed, bro.
I should, but I don't. I
It's a
just
good
drink water.
antioxidant.
This tastes like black tea, I think.
Yeah.
I ain't mad at it. Can help my food
They
digest.
have some sugar if you want it, but
Nah. If you want to put anything in your tea, it should be honey or nothing. Their placemats are so cute too. They have like a little description and stuff.
you are what you eat is the first thing it says.
Period. Love it. I'm just gonna keep it on. And I'm just gonna edit whatever I need to.
Yams. Yams. The yams.
Freaking hate yams.
We're about to be eating some yams. It says that their meat, poultry, and seafood are made from indigenous blends of bean curd, taro,
Thank you.
wheat gluten, mushrooms, yams, and other vegetables. Thank you. Look at the yams.
Now I'm a process.
No. All right.
Yes. Look at these
So
rib
the
tips.
first meal or whatever has come. Rib tips that aren't real rib.
They look pretty similar. Got some salt, soy sauce, salt, soy sauce. I never had the rib tips from here, but these look really
I've never
good.
had them before. I'm gonna taste it without the sauce first and then with the sauce.
Yeah. Okay.
I can say with this though, I wouldn't be fooled. Like I would think that it's fake.
Yeah. The texture is not the same, but the taste is.
Oh, this is spicy sauce.
The outside is like, outside's pretty crispy, but it has the same texture as like imitation crab. Like if you fried the outside of it, the inside tastes like or feels like imitation crab. But it's really good.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I please have chopsticks? Thank you.
I don't need them. Thank you.
Okay, for in case. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
They are good though.
The chopsticks.
No, the rib tips. The
I
rib
did.
tips.
Rib tips.
Alright, I'm gonna taste it. Taste it with the sauce.
I'm chasing with the sauce. Can I cut this? Nope. The sauce is good. It smells spicy, but it's not actually.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I like it. I like it. White rice. Every time I go to like an Asian restaurant or any place that like offers Chopsticks? I'm gonna get them.
Chopsticks made me eat too slow, so it's a dub.
This is not good for chopsticks at all.
Well, like with my plane tickets, yeah, they do that, and I bring it up to the
Yeah,
guy.
but they plane ticket also has the block, the big
Yeah, but
scan.
he fix it for me, come
You don't know if the store guy's gonna have that capability. Unless they have a list of names like they do in the Christian services. Wait, but is that what we did on this? Is it the?
Same as on the other
This
road.
isn't run for Christian services. Right, I don't know. If you get a chance,
Is there a phone number?
you should not be in Eddie. Why do you have that? This usually comes up with an Eddie. You have a square?
Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you.
No, wait a minute.
You too.
Yeah, 1, 10, and 10 and 2.
It looks like a finger. Or a hot dog. It's well made by the slap.
Okay, noodle soup? Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Wow.
I'll just move my plate.
You put it right in front of the camera though. So I don't know if this comes with like the meal, but they gave us noodle soup.
I think that's why the bowls are here.
This is hearty. Like the
There's a
whole
lot of stuff
thing
in
is
it.
like this better not be the. Oh, this is the lo mein that I ordered.
What kind of
I didn't order soup. This is spinach soup.
Yeah.
I thought it was the lo mein that I ordered.
No, that's a noodle soup.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, this will be fine. I'll order it to go because I really want it and I'll give you half. Well, we got some soup. Look at that shumai ice cream. Probably gonna be so full regardless.
Pour me some, Mom. I have some more tea.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, that's not working.
I don't know how to do this now. It's so screwed up.
Does that say that?
What time they close?
I've registered her.
Oh my god.
And she didn't do all this because now it's all screwed up.
Well, let her claim the order. It's not screwed up. What happens when you claim the order? Did you get that?
I can't. Because I get her.
So what? What did you say?
I don't have a password for her. I can't get in.
It's literally like the same thing except
I can't do it.
You can't claim the order.
The
it
noodles
would
are
be
green.
dry. No, it's the same thing with like all the same ingredients except it would be dry.
Let me see.
These are noodles. What is this? This fake meat.
Oh
And this is fake ham.
How do the ham?
Man, I won't even be able to tell you.
opening up her
name.
It's good though.
I don't know if she could
For sure. You want two more here? You have those two.
Oh, it's heading to you, from you to
I think I'm gonna be good with this soup, honestly.
WTF. You until she needs to put in the order. You have to call that straight. You have to call, what was it, Eventbrite? That's all.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Thank you.
Another plate.
Oh. They just bought us shumai. Oh gosh. Wait, what is it? Oh shit.
Dropping water.
Yeah.
Fine. Here, wait. Move that over here.
Yes. I don't need all these plates.
No. I'm talking about that. The shumai.
This needs to go somewhere too.
I'm just gonna put this here.
I need them to take just plates. Period.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I was like, is it rice crusted or is it just that bottom part?
I don't know, but you gotta put it in a mess.
I got really hot just now. All this food.
It's a soup.
I didn't put the tip on my order.
Oh, you said dip in that?
I'm not trying that first.
That was 10. And then 2 for the ice cream. Yeah, right.
This is good. This is really good. Probably my favorite of everything
Really?
in front of us. Yeah.
It's literally like a rice dumpling.
I think it's the sauce too. Slaps. Cool.
It's hot.
Here, wait. Let me put you on my Insta.
I'm really going hard.
Don't look at it.
Why?
Go about your day.
Wait, let me put more in here because I'm like literally almost done.
I don't think that's important.
Yeah, because it's $10
Your Finsta?
No, my Insta. Want to see?
Okay.
There's a lot of food. Actually moving, I guess. Oh, wait. This is need to be on this thing.
Alright.
It doesn't. It's hard.
I was about to say, let's just take them out of this.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
There. This thing is going on.
It's on it. It's not on it. And
What's the noodles have a little more flavor though? The broth is good, but it doesn't like suck into the noodles.
I really thought I got the lo mein. The lo mein, they like saute it in a different sauce.
I'm pretty sure I ordered it.
I'm pretty sure I ordered it too. And then he was like, no, you ordered this. So I'm still gonna order the right thing to go. Because every time I leave this place, I order the house special lo mein. It's amazing. Made with spinach noodles and like tempeh and tofu. Let's try the broth by itself. It's good. It's not like a lot of like Asian restaurants you go to. It's like super salty, the broth.
Yes.
This is like a good balance.
Well, then, one day, but she goes
I really like broth.
Friday, she's been taking in orders. She orders.
I think I really just wanted noodles today.
Oodles and noodles, bro.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm gonna put that sauce in my rice. The rib tip sauce. But
Do
it's
it.
gonna be great.
Do it, do it.
Let me finish my ribs. Ribs.
I really like the soup though. I don't know what this is.
I think it's fake ham.
It does taste like it's supposed to be ham.
But why?
Like honey ham or something like that. Ham in their soup. I mean, yeah, it's a little off-putting, I'm not gonna lie.
Right?
I haven't had ham in a while. So that's why it's just like,
Neither have I.
she's a vegetarian, by the way, guys.
It's been years. Like 5.
You haven't had ham in 5 years?
Or 6.
Sheesh.
I think it was.
Alright, I'm about to finish this soup.
I don't know.
Because this is rocking me. Oh no, it's like all the ham pieces. Ham pieces. I just want the veggies.
What is going on?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Every time, like you don't see this recording.
He probably doesn't.
He just probably doesn't care.
Probably tear up too.
Can I see a menu again?
Okay.
So I can get something to go?
Okay.
What I actually ordered? I'm
So I'm
kind of
gonna
getting full.
take, me too, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna take the sauce from the Veggie tips and put it in my rice. Fun.
Thank you. Ooh, I am getting full. I think I'm just eating too fast. I was so
No,
hungry.
usually when you eat fast, you don't get
full.
full.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know what it is then. Maybe the broth also from the soup. I keep sipping that.
I mean, we've been eating for a while though, because they've been bringing it out like
Oh,
one by
sporadically,
one,
yeah.
rather than all at once, you know.
Mm-hmm. I definitely didn't get a soup. I got the house special spinach bowl. Period. Period.
Want to try it?
Yeah.
It's alright.
That's cute. It's a little sweet for me.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good though. I couldn't eat the whole bowl of it.
But I am eating dispersed evenly, so I'll be alright.
Right.
I'm getting full, bro.
I definitely cannot have another one of these shumais. They're
These are
mad
pretty
thick.
filling. These are filling.
Usually when you get them from like other restaurants, they're like this small. They come very small, and these are like twice the size. Usually I can eat 3. I had 1 and I was just like, with all this other food also, I'm
I
just
didn't even
like,
finish my soup yet.
I mean, I had so much soup. That's the problem.
What is this?
What? Fake pork.
This is fake pork. It fits more than the fake ham.
Yeah. I think I'm done. Oh my gosh. I keep like
Yeah, I just came
having
from
to
the gym,
stretch
too.
out.
I literally just came from the gym.
Oh, she works out.
No, but I'm saying, like, dang. I had abs before this.
I mean, you're not eating anything crazy. You're eating vegetarian food.
Yeah,
and-
I'm just saying I'm at full.
Yeah, I'm mad for. I keep trying to force myself to eat.
Right, because it's good.
It is good.
But I'm just like, I mean, I get so tired when I get full.
I didn't even see the dessert. No, I'm
Dessert.
not getting dessert. I think it's a whole different menu. The dessert is good. If they had mochi, I would get it, but I don't think they have it.
I don't really like mochi.
I like it. I don't usually like stuff that's that texture.
Yeah,
But the
that's exactly
chewy-
why I don't like it.
I don't know. The chewiness on the outside, it's kind of gummy. And I'm also lactose intolerant, so I should not like the ice cream inside. But something about it I really like.
I've actually had a green tea one. That one wasn't bad.
I like
one
that.
Was like okay.
Or like ube, it's like that purple.
The purple one.
Yeah, the purple one. Or mango. Mango everything.
The green tea was okay, but I just don't like the outside. I don't like the texture, and I don't like biting into ice cream. So that's another thing.
I was actually telling somebody that the other day, and then I feel like a hypocrite saying that I like mochi. Is it mochi or mochi?
I think it's mochi.
Yeah, I think we've come to an end. I'm getting like a little tired. Not a little tired. I'm fully tired right now.
Right? And I took a nap earlier, so I can't take one again.
We barely touched this rice, and we shared it.
Right.
We have like 4 more.
Here, there you go.
We have, oh Lord, I'm about to drop everything. We have 4 more of these shumai. Tiffany didn't finish her soup. I finished most of it. But this place is actually really filling. And you shouldn't knock it just, even if you're like not a vegan or a vegetarian. This place is
here
legit
anyway.
delicious.
It's good. Like, it's good
Yeah.
food.
Yeah. They're in Montclair on Valley Road, like Upper Montclair. I've
Valley
come
Road,
here-
and I don't know what this cross street is.
I've come here a few times, and every time they never disappoint. It's
fact.
delicious. I'm like getting the itis, and my eyes are closing as we speak. So we're gonna end this video, you guys. Again, this is my sis, Tiffany Amber Renee. Follow her.
Subscribe to me on
Yes.
YouTube. I am an aspiring filmmaker. Post some of my films up there and videos with me.
Follow.
Bye, guys.